Y'all do remember Mario, right?
Bro, it's Mario.
Well, Mario came back again with more Infinix tech goodies, including the Watch GT3 and the INFINIX XPAD. For the review, we'll start with the latter. The XPAD comes with a sleek, slim 7.6-inch metallic unibody design that is streamlined with an exclusive starry texture that makes it both stylish and durable. For display, it features a massive 11-inch Full HD Plus display with a 90Hz refresh rate, providing a vibrant and responsive visual experience. Under the hood, it's equipped with the powerful Helio G99 processor, ensuring you have smooth and efficient performance for both gaming and demanding tasks. The cherry on the cake for the XPAD has to be the battery. It features a massive 7000 mAh battery that supports 18 watts fast charge. This can ideally give you up to a full day of gaming. The camera setup comprises of an 8-megapixel front and rear camera that is suitable for video calls and casual photography. For all the gaming and movie junkies, the XPAD is fitted with a quad speaker system with Dolby Atmos support, delivering an immersive audio experience. For storage, you get 8 gigs of RAM, 128 GB storage. In the box, you get the XPAD tablet, wired earphones, your charger, and the instruction manual. Now, for only 25,000 Kenyan shillings, you can get yourself this amazing tablet at our shop.